Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad with Roshni. Headlines: Supreme Court issues notice to NAB on Zardari's plea for transfer of graft cases. The Supreme Court issued a notice to the National Accountability Bureau on the petition by former President Asif Ali Zardari seeking transfer of corruption cases filed against him in Islamabad's accountability courts to Karachi. The Supreme Court summoned reply of Sindh government about terrorism allegation against Ahmad Umar Saeed Sheikh, the main accused in Daniel Pearl murder case. Supreme Court strikes down Lahore High Court's no helmet, no petrol ban. The Supreme Court set aside the Lahore High Court's ban on the sale of fuel to motorcyclists without safety helmets. Punjab decides against Basant celebration order effectuation of kite ban. Punjab government has imposed a complete ban on celebrating Basant festival, besides ordering authorities to strictly implement the regulations of the Prohibition of Kite Flying Act. Islamabad High Court disposes of petition against on-campus exams. The Islamabad High Court disposed of a petition filed by a student union of a private university against on-campus examinations. CTD makes progress in Karachi terrorism funding probe. The Counter-Terrorism Department has made progress in terror funding to the Daesh in Syria. Most wanted terrorist named in Red Book arrested in Karachi. A trained terrorist of an outlawed organization, Abbas Jafri, has been apprehended during a joint raid of the Counter-Terrorism Department and a sensitive institution in Karachi. Lahore doctor arrested for raping nurse after promising her job. Two TikTokers filming themselves closing railway crossing land in trouble. This is the end of today's news. Stay tuned with us and follow us on Facebook and subscribe our YouTube channel. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.